Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom channel. Today we are going to make this amazing mango pudding. First take a airtight steel bowl. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar plus 2 tablespoons of water. Cook them on low flame until it is caramelized well. You can see how slowly it is becoming a caramel color. Our caramel is now ready. Now turn off the flames. And then keep it aside for it to set. Now take a mango and peel the mango. And chop the mango and add it in a mixie jar and blend it. Now our mango puree is ready. Now take a mixing bowl, add 4 eggs which has a room temperature and add 1 tablespoon of sugar plus pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and mix them well for 1 minute. And add 3/4 cup of mango puree. Now add 1.5 cup of milk and then mix them well. Now pour the batter on top of the caramel with strain. Now cover it with a lid. Now add 700 ml water and then boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, open the lid and place the pudding mold. Cover and steam it for 30 to 35 minutes on medium flame. After 35 minutes, open the lid and insert the toothpick inside the pudding. If the peak comes clean, it means the pudding is baked well. And then take it out from the hot water and wait for it to cool down completely. Then refrigerate it for 2 hours. After cooling it down, demold the pudding and serve it. After demolding, you can see how beautiful and delicious it is looking. You can see the inside how pretty and delicious it is. The taste is very delicious and it is great for mango lovers. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.